Welcome back, everybody. We're going to be on our third episode of Diecast OutKast. I'm going to do a custom on this Datsun Bluebird 510. I believe it is a 1971. And here's the wheels we're going to harvest off this Gulf van. Thinking about building the van later on for some kind of a custom. This is a picture of the actual car. We are drilling out the top posts with a large drill bit. Pop the base off with a screwdriver. I really don't know a whole lot about the Datsun Bluebird 510, but I do dig the older imports, and this casting seems to be very popular in the Hot Wheels community. Alright, so I got a new light set up, and here in just a second is basically what it looked like while I was putting it together. No, you don't believe me, but nope, not even one lie. Okay, maybe I lied. Pull the old center punch out and punch it right down in the middle so we have a good place to start with the drill bit. Oh, hell no. What the hell is that? Used a 5/64 drill bit that I bought from Walmart to drill the posts out, and then I used the 256 button head screws to Allen wrench it back on. Appy, shut up! These damn dogs have absolutely no respect when they know that I'm trying to do a voiceover. Anyway, I'm gonna finish screwing this in. Here comes my last build, bringing in the new tires. Just peel up the 3 tabs just a little bit and you'll be able to snap the tires back on there. On this model, the interior will hold the tires and wheels in, so when you bolt it all together, it'll stay snug. No need to glue it in or anything. A little closer shot of the 3 tabs I was talking about previously. This is what it'd look like if we decided just to stop here and do a wheel swap. We're going to give this one a dip in my hot as balls salsa. I've had plenty of emails and inquiries on the recipe on this. Now, it's a secret. Yummy. Like a good rack of ribs, the meat falls right off the bone. That was almost too easy, and look how great shape this casting is. Just gave it a bath under warm water in the sink, and a scrub with the wire brush is all we had to do to make it look like this. At this point, I still don't have my airbrush system station set up, so we're going to go with some Rust-Oleum primer, and before we do that, we're going to wipe off all the excess from the stripper with this acetone. Need to give her a good scrub right before we do some painting. Give the primer a good shake before we go paint it outside. I bought a toaster oven and I use it to bake the paint, so I turn it up to about 250 for about 10 minutes. Oh, poor kitty. Oh well, now on to paint. We're mixing up some Createx copper gold and a little bit of reducer to go along with it for the base. We're going to spray a couple light coats and then follow it up with a couple more heavier coats. The amount of sparkles in this paint is unbelievable. Now we're going to go over the gold with a candy type paint. It is a transparent sunrise yellow. Added a couple drops of transparent dark red to go along with it. We want to get our closest orange as we can to go along with the wheels. Layering a couple extra more coats on there. The more layers you put on it, the darker the orange gets. I had to clear it outside with the urethane paint, and it is absolutely beautiful. The base was chrome, so it had a chrome chin spoiler. I went ahead and went with a semi-gloss black. We're going to take the windshield and dip it in the Pledge Floor Care finish. Let it dry for a couple hours and it'll give it a nice shine. Detailing the grill and the lights and everything on the front and back end with a silver Sharpie and some acrylic based paints with a toothpick. I find that doing the details is very relaxing and very rewarding, especially when you get to see it all put together. Here's all the finished pieces. We're going to go ahead and take the body, turn it upside down, and put the windshield in. Next we will put the interior in, and then we'll put the base on, screw it back together, and see what the final result is. Here's a reminder what the Datsun wagon looked like at the very beginning. And here is the finished product. I'll let you guys soak it in and enjoy. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share, everything it takes to make this channel get better. Send me a comment, let me know what you think. Positive or negative, I really don't care. I like how it turned out. Thank you guys for watching.
Hope you're ready for the next episode. Hey.